Welcome back. Let's now cross over to Nyeri, where more than 100 youth believed to be followers of former Mungiki leader Maina Njenga, who were arrested late last year, are set to appear in court today for mention. At the same time, 7 former senior officers who served in the county government of Isiolo were arrested by officers from EACC yesterday and are set to appear at the anti-corruption court in Isiolo. Our reporter Clement Masombo is following up on the court stories. Clement, good morning.
Well, good morning to you, Fatia. Indeed, it's true that over 150 youth who were arrested around 30th or 31st of December 2023 are set to appear today for mention of their case here in Nyeri courts. And remember, these are youth who are believed to be followers or supporters of former Mungiki leader Maina Njenga, and the reasons for the arrest is that the police, the youth are being accused of planning to hold a meeting here in Nyeri, a meeting that was supposed to be presided over by Maina Njenga, and it is upon that a number of them were arrested. Actually, those who were arrested were about 300 youth, and the mention of their cases, their case is actually has happened in 2 phases. The first one happened on 16th of January, just about a day ago, and the second phase of mention is happening today. And for the first batch that has already appeared in the court, the magistrate has ordered that they will come back on 21st of March this year to get more directions on their case. And they are actually happening. The case is happening in batches, and as we speak right now, there is another batch that is already in the courts again, waiting for the direction over the same case. But this is something that has, of course, triggered the reactions from from various leaders and even lawyers. Of course, we have also seen their lawyer, that is Ndegwa Njiru, condemning the incident and saying that the youth who were arrested are just being they are just being tortured for what he terms as a political witch hunt. And so we will be waiting to hear what the magistrate will be giving, the kind of directions that will be giving for all other who are yet to appear before the courts. But still in courts also, we understand that at least that 7 former officials who served in the county government of Isiolo were yesterday arrested by officers from Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. And among the 7, we have 3 chief officers who served in the former regime of in the county government of Isiolo. The 7 were arrested in relation to matters to do with the corruption and fraud, and they are being accused of swindling about 58 million shillings of that in the county government of Isiolo. And the 7 are actually set also to appear this morning before the anti-corruption court in Isiolo. So that is also a story that we will be following up. And still on the same, we also understand that one of the contractor who is accused of having won a tender fraudulently in the same case is also accused of another corruption case in Marsabit, which is about 60 million shillings tender. So those are some of the cases that we shall be following up from this region, and of course we will be bringing